back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I'm excited to do an Amazon haul for you guys. It has been a long time since I shared with you my full monthly haul of the products that me and my family purchased throughout the month. So this is actually for March, but there are a ton of goodies in here that we are still using up, and products that I actually didn't like. So let's get into it. The first thing I want to talk about is Amazon has a subscribe and save program where if you frequently are purchasing products, you can save a little bit of money and then you can get the products more often with the discount. So I did have a couple of products that I purchased for the subscribe and save for the month. My body wash. I love my Aveeno body wash. It is a fragrance-free, gentle, moisturizing body wash. Love getting the big tube of this. I don't get it every month, but I did this time. Also got the Shout color catchers. These are sheets you can put in your washing machine when you are washing your laundry, and it catches any of like the dye residue that comes off of your clothes before it gets on your whites and other color fabrics as well. So always get this. Then the last thing for my subscribe and save for that month was my Gillette Venus razor blades. I recently had to get the base of the razor blade again, but you can buy a big pack of the razor blades and attach them on as needed. So March was my son's birthday, so we have some birthday things in here. He wanted a Super Mario themed party. I will link the video up above of me getting all the decorations, party bags, food, all that kind of stuff will be up above for you guys who are interested. I did get the Mario cake topper. This is like a paper form. The next thing I purchased was my Grace eyeshadow. So this is a Stila. These are the Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadows. I love to just apply them on my base of my eye, put a little bit of shadow on the crease, and I'm good to go. So this is the color Grace. So love that. Just a quick one-step easy look for eyeshadow. I also used up my Stila. This is the Kitten single eyeshadow. So I did purchase a brand new one, so I have been working on this as well. You guys, a little swatch. Super buttery smooth. That is Kitten. So gorgeous. The next thing I needed were socks for my son. So I got the DC. These are the comic book socks that have like Flash, Hulk, what else? Batman, all the kind of stuff for him. It is a big pack of socks, so he purchased that. And then I purchased another Stila Shimmer and Glow eyeshadow. This is in the color Kitten. I was very into Stila and still love my Stila products. So that is Grace right there. I will put Kitten above it. So right up here is the color Kitten, and then you can see Grace is a little bit more taupey of a brown. Very similar, but I like using them for different occasions. Then we got the goodie bags. This was so easy because it came with so many things for his birthday. It had the bags, it had the sticker pages, the face mask, keychains, bracelets, and little notebook pads. So this was really good, all-encompassing, really easy, and then I just bought a couple other little things to go into it as well. For March, we did also buy a playground set for our backyard, but we wanted to get a little baby swing or toddler swing for Maddie. So we got this one. It is a heavy duty one from Eastern Jungle. The one we purchased comes in pink, but you can also get the green color as well. And because of an outdoor playground party, we have so many bad mosquitoes this summer. So we got the mosquito repellent replacements for our mosquito repellent. And we also got these Buzz Patch mosquito stickers that can also be applied on the kids' clothes as well. The next thing here is the face sunscreen that I use. It is from Coola. It doesn't make me a breakout or anything like that. So then I needed a glass screen protector for my phone. I dropped my phone and needed to get a new protector for it. So these are really easy to apply. They stick on. They have all the things you may need to apply it correctly, like a screen wipe and alcohol wipe, all that kind of stuff. So highly recommend it. I've used it a couple times. They are pretty good, durable, but every now and then you really drop your phone and you just know it's gonna crack, but at least the screen protector is on it, and that is what cracks and not your phone. The next thing I have here is my face wash. I purchased the Origins Checks and Balances frothy face wash. I absolutely love this. You can see I have used a lot of it since purchasing it in March. I will say this smells like a peppermint tingly kind of sensation on your face. I have been using this for years though. I have also brought it to my dermatologist to see her thoughts on this product, and she thinks there's nothing really wrong with it except for like the fragrance, but if my skin handles it well, then to keep using it. So I am still using that. Next thing here are 2 birthday gifts. I think there was like an Amazon sale or something going on. So I purchased the Zubat Pokemon Legos for this round. He will get it for Christmas time. Also purchased him the Rise of Beast Transformers mask. It is a mask and also turns into a transformer. He has the Bumblebee of this, so I purchased the Optimus Primal, I think is what it's called, for him for Christmas. So I like to start looking at deals, things like that. Anything that goes 20% off or more, I like to update you guys as well on Instagram, so follow me there, Lizzie Loves, all one word. But like to start stocking up on Christmas early. The next thing is the sexy sleeveless high neck bodysuit. This felt so buttery smooth. I loved the way it was cut. I got the color black. We then purchased it in pink, and the quality was completely wrong. The company, 1, sent it really late, and then 2, the cut and the fabric was not like the black one. So if you do try this out, check out the black one first. Hopefully you get the same quality I have in my black one, because the pink one just didn't cut it. The next thing here I needed is another garden hose nozzle. Our little hose spray was rusted and broken, so I needed to get a new one fixed for the summertime. We also got the number 6 gold candle for my son's birthday. I tried this athletic set, but it just didn't look right on me. I've seen so many people talking about this, influencers talking about this. I was excited to try it, but it didn't work. Had to return that baby. Also got this selfie light with the front kind of clasp. I use this when I do a couple of my Instagram videos, TikToks, something like that. I had like a good spurt. I was starting to do more YouTube shorts and TikToks, things like that. So I like using that because it is a big difference with that. We purchased a glow-in-the-dark football from Glow City for one of our friends' 6th birthday. He loves it. It's good for all ages. A decent sized football, just normal football size, but it also glows in the dark. Perfect for nighttime use. Highly recommend that. Next thing here is from Frida Baby. These are the Vapor Bath Bombs. So they are individually wrapped, and when your kids get those stuffy noses, whether it be allergies, colds, flus, you name it, this is perfect. It has essential oils in it and just kind of helps with that vapo scent to clear everything out. Just goes into the bath and they are good to go, and it helps them breathe. The next 2 things I got for one of our friends who had a baby. We got the Chew Me Soft Sip food pouch toppers. This is a product a lot of new moms don't know about. It is a little topper that goes on the top of those baby food pouches, applesauce, yogurts, you name it, anything that has that kind of screw top. That way when you squeeze the pouch, the food doesn't all come out. So I grabbed her a pack of that. And our favorite, this is the Fisher Price On The Go Baby Dome. We use that all the time for when our kids were itty bitty babies at the park, pool, beach, you name it. Really easy to fold up and put away, breathable with the air, so highly recommend that. Maddie just brought me her little toddler book bag. So this is a Minnie Mouse little sequin book bag she likes to wear. We got this because she was getting a little jealous that Jackson was always wearing a book bag and she wanted to do it herself. It does come with this cute little pink little mini pom-pom keychain, which is really nice. It has the front little pocket and then one big main pocket inside that we just kind of keep her snack, change clothes, pull-ups, you name it. So highly recommend this. Super good quality. Maddie loves to be independent and responsible for her things. The next thing here are the Reese's Peanut Butter Crunchy Bars. I had to get this for Isaac. He was on kind of like a sandwich lunch box kick that month, so he wanted a little treat, and these are what he asked for, so I got a big box of that. We were also headed to Cancun in March, so I got this like body chain set that is just kind of different necklaces, body chains to wear with your bikinis. Kind of sexy, kind of cute. So got that as well. Then back to the mommy phase. Some nighttime pull-ups were purchased and water wipes. Also grabbed some regular pull-ups for everyday use as well. The next thing here is the crossbody purse that I purchased. It is very similar to a high-end version, but it is a dupe and super affordable. So I have it kind of like the fancy way of wearing bags these days. Adjustable strap, and then there is a little pocket on the back, a big pocket inside with like the little inner zipper pouch. So I have loved using mine bigger than like the Lululemon side pouches that everyone's wearing too, so I enjoyed that for a little bit more storage. The next thing I got was a Crest 3D White Brilliance Luminous toothpaste. This is actually what we've been using since then. I went to the dentist, and the dentist told me to not use a whitening toothbrush every day, that actually damages your gums. And if you do want to whiten your teeth, to use like the white strips, like the one-time use and like occasional use product, not morning and night. So my husband is still using it because he hasn't found any problem with his teeth and gums at the dentist. I have since been using a toothpaste called Boca. I'll talk about that in a future haul, but I am currently liking that. And then I purchased my conditioner, or deep conditioner. This is the Redken All Soft Heavy Cream Treatment. It has argan oil, pH balance formula. So I use this all the time. Have repurchased it and will continue to use it. It is one of my subscribe and saves, but I needed an extra one for that month. The next thing is 3 products from Olaplex. I got the Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. I am almost done with using it. You will see them in an empties video very soon. I really enjoyed using them. They are a little bit more expensive though than the Redken, so when I'm feeling splurgy, I will use them. But I will probably just stick with the Redken All Soft Shampoo and Heavy Cream just for an everyday moisturizing hair product. I also got the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. I honestly don't know where that is. I haven't used it, so can't tell you much about it. Next thing is my kids' shampoo and a body wash. This is the Suave 3-in-1 shampoo and conditioner for my kids. It is the scent like fresh, clean, no crazy fruity candy scent. They like it. I do purchase this now on a subscribe and save. We had a friend have a birthday party, and I got him a Bluey little hooded towel for him. He loves Bluey, so a great gift for a 3-4-year-old. And then I needed Goo Gone because in the Super Mario Party, I hung up a sign on this wall, and all this like with double-sided tape, and the tape stuck to this wall, so I needed Goo Gone to help me rescue my wall. But that is everything that I bought in March. Let me know your favorite products you've tried out recently in the comments down below, or something you're looking forward to try. All products will be linked down below. I totally appreciate you guys shopping through them. I do get a small percentage of the commission, and I will talk to you guys at my next one. Bye.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go.